Hi, you guys. I'm going to show you how to start the FET simulation. So in this particular simulation, we're going to be looking at reactants, products, and what we call leftovers. And in other words, this is called cheese sandwich stoichiometry. So if we go ahead and press play here, you can see that there's a couple of different sections, including a really challenging game. But let's start with the sandwich stoichiometry. Okay, so first things first, this is the recipe to make a cheese sandwich up here. So this represents the balanced chemical reaction. For every 2 pieces of bread and 1 piece of cheese, you make 1 cheese sandwich. And so you can fiddle with the reactants here. We can show you 2 pieces of bread and 1 piece of cheese make 1 cheese sandwich. So what's new about this? Well, let's say we give you more or less reactants. How many cheese sandwiches can you make? So let's say we give you 4 pieces of bread and 2 pieces of cheese. Following this recipe, for every 2 pieces of bread and 1 piece of cheese, there's 1 cheese sandwich. How many cheese sandwiches can we make? And you can see here visually, it's 2. Now there's something else new about this as well. Let's say we have 5 pieces of bread in the pantry and 2 pieces of cheese. What we're going to introduce here is something called excess reactants or leftovers. And so if you notice here, it says leftovers. The recipe calls for 2 pieces of bread and 1 piece of cheese to make 1 sandwich. So we can make 2 sandwiches, but we do have some leftover bread. How much bread do we have? We have 1 piece of bread left over. So the excess reactant is what's not involved with the reaction. We don't have enough of it. So that's the other new piece of information. Have fun making cheese sandwiches.